Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Chrome on your desktop. This method works only in the desktop app. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. Once there, use the Settings search field and type Home to jump straight to the Appearance section. You do this because the Home button option lives under Appearance. It is not on mobile. As soon as you see Appearance, get ready to toggle the setting and pick whether it opens the new tab or a custom web address. Now enable the Home button by switching Show Home button to On in Appearance. Once done, Chrome will show two options. Set it to open the new tab page or enter a custom web address such as https://example. Choose the custom URL if you want a persistent landing page. Make sure to type the full address, including https://. After saving, look left of the Omnibox for the small house icon. This visual confirms the setting took effect and is ready for use. Finish by testing the Home icon, click it and confirm your selected page opens. If it does not appear right away, restart Chrome. A quick relaunch often applies settings. If the Home icon still stays missing, make sure Chrome is not managed by an administrator because managed policies can hide the switch. Check Chrome//policy. Also disable extensions temporarily to rule out conflicts. If those checks fail, reset appearance settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.